I've heard the common logic being expressed that the use of the curfew suggests that COVID only infects at night. As I said, it is a common logic, but it is not common sense. The truth of the matter is that we are trying to control movement on one hand, and on the other hand, we are trying to keep production going as much as possible. Where we have the most production taking place, obviously, would be in the day. Working hours, usually 9 to 5. If you look at our energy consumption, significant energy consumption is in the daytime. Most workplaces and businesses operate in the daytime. So you would want to sparingly use any measure that controls movement during that period of time. Instead, you would use other measures, such as institutional measures, how businesses can operate, and we use situational measures, wearing your mask, social distancing. But in the night, when the general production activities are less, that is when you would seek now to apply your movement measures, mainly your curfew. I just thought I would deal with that very appealing logic, which is not very logical when placed in the context of trying to ensure that we keep our production going and at the same time control spread.